What's up everybody? So excited to show you this brand new listing. This is in Niverville, Manitoba, backing onto the 8th tee box of Old Drovers Run Golf Course. Now this amazing 2 stories, 1,503 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms on the 2nd floor, 2 full bathrooms. It has got an awesome main floor with main floor laundry, mostly finished basement. This 26 by 12 deck, 2-tiered, and this amazing view back here. This is one that you have to see before it's gone.